Hey y'all, so y'all will see what I turned this wig into, what it was giving, and then what I gave it. This is Throwback Wig Thursday with Shay Skyler. So this is the wig here, okay? It's like 20 inches. The lace is gorgeous. So I'm about to be real lazy and figure out how to do 2 braids in my hair. Right, y'all, so I made it do what it do. Pull this up. I'm over there putting on my lashes, y'all. I just did my lashes. Y'all see them? Cute, right? All right.
Original bad man, oh. I like your vibe. Don't get me started. I know you want me. My baby. Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girl, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm a muggy. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey. Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me.
Okay, y'all, this is my second coat, so we're gonna let this second coat do what it do, let it dry, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so we have it like this. Now we're just gonna top. All right, and we're gonna pull. Okay, use a comb. Use what you will. Okay, I'm gonna get that as flat as possible. Take my ear out. And we have this. All on the perimeter of the hairline. When I'm doing my initial lay. To be curling the wig. Set. So as I'm curling, I'm going to be pinning just as I can. Just clip it at the bottom and put it in. All right, y'all. I literally threw these curls in here in 5 minutes because I got a podcast to do. I'll do better before the night is over. But now we're going to go ahead and take this off and get this together. So for these, we're just going to go ahead and C's. Then I need to... So we'll come back. So I told y'all I was coming back to show y'all how this hair turned out and if it was given. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'll probably push this back. But this is what we have, is body and it's given. And yeah, we have restyled this wig yet again. So this company, thank you for this unit because it is giving for the body. Hope y'all like this video. Throwback Wig Thursday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.